Hello, fellow travelers. I want you to hear this, so listen up. I'm Wendy with Where Wendy Travels, and if you're planning to travel this holiday season or this winter, the rest of this winter, this video is going to help you avoid crowds, save money, and travel with less stress, especially if you're over 50 and don't want chaos to ruin your trip. We are in beautiful, sunny Florida, right on St. Pete Beach. I'm so excited. We're in the Serrata. So hit that subscribe button. Check out the Serrata. I've got another video coming out, if it's not already out, and I'm so excited to share that. But I do want to tell you about holiday travel. It is continuing into January, and continues to be one of the busiest travel seasons we've seen in years, this 2025-2026 season. Airports are full, hotels book faster, and prices can change daily. One thing travelers don't realize is that mid-week travel is one of the biggest money savers. Tuesdays and Wednesdays, if you travel, often have lighter crowds and better hotel availability. Another big trend is travelers choosing simpler trips, fewer connections, familiar hotel brands, and places they already know, and comfort matters more than ever. So don't go going to those strange places. Hey, I won this trip. Ooh, I won this cruise. My friends, I used to be in sales, and I was at all of these fairs where they ran around collecting your name and address, putting you into a lottery to win that discounted cruise, that free hotel room. Well, my friends, every single name in there won. There is a catch. You are paying for it. So don't get too excited if you won that free cruise or you win that hotel tour. Be careful this holiday season. So, we are choosing simpler trips, fewer connections, familiar hotels. If you like a certain hotel, if you're comfortable, there's no reason to step out of your comfort zone unless you want to. If you're driving, roadside hotels are filling up earlier than they used to. It used to be you could travel, stop at any hotel, there was room, there was availability, you paid the price, you stayed there. But now it's, well, if you go online, you might get it a few dollars cheaper. You walk into the front door from the parking lot, and it's going to be more expensive. There's lots of hooks and keys out there. So hit that subscribe button, because we have more videos coming out where I'm going to be talking about all of these little tricks and tips to get you the best deal. But booking even 1 or 2 weeks ahead can make a big difference in hotel price. For flights, flexibility is key, my friends. Flying early in the morning reduces delays. Carry-on travel is also becoming more popular because baggage delays during peak seasons. Holiday travel does not have to be stressful. Planning ahead, traveling midweek, and choosing comfort over complexity makes all the difference. If you enjoy calm, practical travel advice like this, please subscribe to Where Wendy Travels. I share tips to help you travel comfortably and confidently so you enjoy and you get the most out of that vacation. I'll see you again real soon, my friends. Thank you.